This is what we got. My mom went to the dollar store.
We actually went to the Dollar Tree. And we kind of got carried away, didn't we? Can you show them what you picked out? What was you wanting to plant? The flowers, yes. So she got her some flowers to plant, didn't you? Okay, so we found some brackets. So when we can hang up on our porch, I think we got 8 of those. Okay, and then we found a couple of flower pots. And for $1, that's not very bad, is it, Grace? Flip it around. It has the little spout where you can water it and everything. So, and they had different colors, all kinds of neat colors, but for $1, you cannot beat that. And of course, Grace wanted the bird feeders, didn't you? So we like to do hummingbirds. We love to see them come up. So we got a couple of those. They were $1 a piece. We'll probably get some more glass ones. I think I've got some glass ones somewhere. And then I found me some gloves that have the rubber backing, because I've been cutting my fingers up so bad with everything that I've been doing. And while we were there, these were for $1. I'm already planted some carrots. I've never heard of those. They are actually red cord chantilly. Chennai. That's it, sorry. But,
Hey, Mom.
what, baby?
How do you eat out of these? How do the buds eat out of them? Thanks.
They have long beaks and they stick it in the air and suck it out. And we got to mix it up with a little bit of sugar. Actually, I might still have some stuff in there that we can as mixed for the birds, okay? For the hummingbirds. We'll see. We got the cilantro, oregano, sage, dill, thyme, basil, all that for seasoning our food. I love to add any of that to our season. To have it fresh, that's great. I got lettuce. We probably won't be able to plant that. I don't know. Pumpkins, eggplants, kale, sunflowers. My kids love flowers, as you can tell. And then Grace got those flowers. So for $1, it wasn't bad. I didn't spend very much on all of this, so very excited. I got a few more seeds for the kids to plant. They have some little planters that I had bought at Dollar General last time, and then Nana and Papa had given them some, so it's something that they can do on their own and plant and have some tomatoes and peppers on top of that and learn how to grow, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll see what happens this summer. We're used to having big gardens, but and they help us with all that, the corn and the peas and picking and planting and everything. But we thought this would be neat for them to do their own little starter thing and then be able to put them in the raised beds. Can you tell them goodbye?
Goodbye.
Thank you for joining us, and hope you'll like and subscribe, and we'll try to have some more videos later on. Thank you.